कृष्णाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांता स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद Okay, kids, you all are so wonderful and you sing very well every time. So today, actually, we have the story is little big. So I'm just asking all of you that we all can sing together. Please, please, we can all sing together today. That will be wonderful. Okay, and the next time, next session, we all will get the chance. Okay, so that we can cover the story today. That is the main. Okay. So let's sing all together the Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 times. Okay.
Leela?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Again. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One more time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you so much. Thank you, kids. Thank you for cooperating. Thank you so much for singing with me. And you all are so wonderful kids. Thank you so much. Okay. So now we are starting our next part of the session. You all can see the slide, the story.
Mataji, Shashari wants to sing Hare Krishna.
Okay, so what we did today, we actually sang everybody together. Next time, next session, we all will get the chance. Okay. So, but today we all sing together. Okay. So in the rhyme part, maybe you can sing. Okay. Okay. So kids, you can see the slide. This Uddhava meets the gopis. Okay. So please mute yourself, everyone, so that we can hear the pastime, the story nicely. Okay. Okay, so today's story is Uddhava meet the gopis. So we saw that how Uddhava he went to Vrindavan with the message of Krishna, and he met everybody in the Vrindavan, including gopis, Nanda Baba, Yashoda Maiya, everybody he met. And he saw that how all the gopis, all the inhabitants of Vrindavan, they were all missing Krishna so much. They all were missing Krishna. Even we saw yesterday that how Radharani, she is actually talking with the bumblebee. She started talking with the bumblebee because she was so much missing Krishna in every step. Even the gopis and everybody was so much missing Krishna. So today we will see how Uddhava talked with the gopis and how he pacified the gopis and like that, So we see here that how Radharani, she didn't see that bumblebee flying around her anymore. And she was so much afraid after that maybe she started thinking maybe he went back to tell Krishna that I don't want to hear about him. Because, we saw yesterday that how she was telling that, okay, don't talk about Krishna and this. Because she was feeling so bad that Krishna is not there. She was so much missing that she started talking like that. But now today we can see that she's telling here that how she is telling bumblebee that okay, maybe he went away, or maybe he's going to tell Krishna these things. So she was really feeling scared. But after that she saw that bumblebee is still there. Okay, and then she found him, and then she said that never mind, forget all these things. Now please tell me how Krishna is doing in Mathura. She wanted to know how is Krishna, what he is doing there. And she started asking that does he still remember his devotees in Vrindavan? And she's asking, I'm sure he must talk about us sometimes. We will all love him very much. Do you think Krishna will ever come back and put his arms around us? So now we see that Radharani is talking to a bumblebee, and she's asking to a bumblebee that whether Krishna is going to come back or not, whether Krishna is remembering us or not. She's missing Krishna so much. Then he thought like, and Uddhava stood there listening to Radharani talking to Bumblebee about Krishna, and he thought how wonderful it is that these gopis love Krishna so much that they think about him all the time. So we always say, right, that always we should always think of Krishna. So the mood should be like that, you know. We should think like, okay, whether wherever we are, we always think about Krishna. Like the gopis, like the Vrindavan Vasis, they always think about Krishna. Even they started talking to the bumblebee. You can see that Radhana is talking to bumblebee. So Uddhava was so pleased and he was thinking like that. And out loud he said, my dear gopis. Now Uddhava is telling, my dear gopis, you are so wonderful devotees of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Krishna. Okay. And then he's telling, I am carrying a letter from Lord Krishna. This is what he wants to say to you. Now you can see here, Uddhava is sitting here and he has a big letter on his hands, and he's going to tell the whole thing, the letter, to the gopis. Okay. Then he said that, my dear gopis, my dear friends, I have never been away from. Now he's saying that what actually Krishna is telling in the letter. Okay. So now Krishna actually wrote in the letter that, my dear gopis, my dear friends, I have never been away from any of you at any time. I can never leave you. All of you loved me so much from the very beginning of our lives. My dear gopis, while I am in Mathura, you will always be thinking about even more and more, because you love me so much, and because you're thinking of me, I'm always right there with you in your hearts. So now we understand that when we actually we don't see Krishna or something like that, then we have to actually think of Krishna more and more. When there is like we miss Krishna more and more, Krishna is always looking to us. It's not like if we can't see Krishna, that Krishna is not there. No, Krishna is always there. Whenever we are thinking of Krishna, we are talking about Krishna, we are doing something for Krishna, Krishna is always there. So similarly, actually Krishna is telling about all these things to the gopis through his letter, that please, my dear gopis, don't think that I don't think about you. I know you always are so much dear to me, and you always think of me. So then the gopis really missed Krishna and were happy to hear his message. And then one of the gopis said, my dear Uddhava, we always pray that Krishna will soon come back here, and we always remember everything we ever said, did with Krishna. And Vrindavan, in the lands of river, forest, and cows, we hear the sound of the flute all the time. Krishna, his elder brother Sri Balram, enjoy these nice places with us. Everything in Vrindavan always make us think about Krishna and Balram. The footprints of Krishna are still on the ground, but all these things cannot help us to get back in Vrindavan again. So now actually the gopis, one of the gopis telling to Uddhava that we miss him so much that we always see Krishna's presence in this Vrindavan. You know, how Krishna and Balram used to play in the forest, how the rivers, they were actually sitting there, and how he used to say, like, play the flute and everything. Even in the land also we can see his footprints. So every and each and everything actually making the gopis to think and remember about Krishna and Balram. Okay, and then again the another gopi is telling, my dear Uddhava, we always remember Krishna's joking word, all the beautiful ways he looked, how he smiled, walked, and we think about Krishna. We can never forget him. We are always crying for him and praying, dear Lord, please come back to Vrindavan again. We are very sad without you here. So the gopis miss Krishna so much. So we can see that actually gopis are looking everything, and they are thinking about Krishna, and they are actually seeing in everything it is Krishna, you know. So how much they are missing, we can understand. They are crying for Krishna. When we cry, it means what? Like we want something, then we cry, right? We want somebody to be with us, we cry. We want some particular thing, we cry. So we can see gopis are crying for Krishna. How much they're missing Krishna, right? They are always thinking of Krishna. Then Uddhava said, close your eyes and think the wonderful things Krishna did when he was a small boy. I will tell you many stories about Krishna. I'm sure you remember them all. And while I'm talking about Krishna and you're remembering about Krishna, Krishna will be here with us. So now we saw that Krishna also told in the letter that when you remember, I'm always with you. And here also Uddhava is telling that how Krishna is always with you when you think about Krishna, when you have like, you know, when we actually talk about Krishna's stories, like so many stories we have read, right, since so far. So Krishna is always there with us. You know, it's not like just we are hearing Krishna, it means he's not here. No, he's everywhere, and he's always wherever we speak of Krishna, talk about Krishna, hear about Krishna, Krishna is always there. Okay, and then Uddhava stayed in Vrindavan for some time and told the stories all day long about Krishna. And by hearing so many wonderful stories, the gopis really felt that Krishna was always with them. As they talked all about him, the days went by quickly. And it was easy for Uddhava to tell the story about Krishna in the shade of Vrindavan forest near Yamuna river with fruit trees, beautiful flowers. And Govardhan hills and caves, everyone was so happy that Uddhava was with them in Vrindavan. It was wonderful as having Krishna himself there. So actually, Uddhava, he is actually, we can see that how Uddhava actually was giving so much pleasure to all the Vrindavan Vasi. Everybody was so happy because he was always talking about Krishna. You know, because they were missing Krishna so much, and when somebody came, they saw that, oh, Uddhava came just right from with the, like, because he was with Krishna and he's coming from him only, then they always thinking of, oh, if he's like, you know, he's like Krishna's friend and I'm going to just listen to them what he's talking about Krishna. So they were so happy when actually Uddhava started speaking of Krishna. And then one day Uddhava wanted to go back to see his dear friend Krishna. He asked Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda Maya that if he could go back to Mathura. He went to see the gopis one last time, and then he sat on chariot ready to go back to Krishna in Mathura. Everyone in Vrindavan go to say goodbye to Uddhava and give all kind of presents for him to take back to their loved, beloved Krishna. So now we see that Uddhava actually came, he talked with gopis and everything. He pacified them little bit, and now he's going back where? To Mathura, where actually Krishna is staying. And then they actually say goodbye to Uddhava and they give him so many presents so that he can give the presents to Krishna. Okay? And then when Uddhava got back to Mathura, he went straight to his master, Lord Shri Krishna, bringing all the gift from his friends and his mother and father. And in Vrindavan, he told Krishna how much everyone there loved him and missed him. So now Uddhava is telling what he did before. He was telling all whatever happened, like, about Krishna to the gopis. Now, when he came back to Mathura, he's talking whatever happened in Vrindavan. He met gopis. He's now telling about how's the gopis, how's Nanda Baba, how is Yashoda Maya, how's all the inhabitants of Vrindavan to Krishna. Okay. And then he's saying that you will be very glad to know that everyone is well, and the gopis were happy to hear a message and all the stories about you. Krishna loved the gopis very much and was always thinking about them. Day after day, Uddhava told Krishna many of the story about his visit with Nanda Maharaj, Mother Yashoda, and all the gopis of Vrindavan. So we see that actually what is the moral of the story today is that we should always think about Krishna and we should never forget Krishna. Okay, and if we think always of Krishna, Krishna is always with us. So how can we think of Krishna? We can think of Krishna by doing something for Krishna, by cooking for Krishna, by praying to Krishna, by doing deity worship to Krishna. Like, there are like hearing about Krishna, about reading about Krishna. So Krishna, chanting about Krishna. So Krishna is actually always with us whenever we think of Krishna. Okay, we remember him. Okay, so that's why we should never forget Krishna and we always think of Krishna. And when we think of Krishna, then Krishna will be very happy and he always with us. Okay, so okay, the one quick question, maybe two questions I will ask and all of you can answer. First question that, okay, Radharani was talking with whom? Like when she was little angry also, with whom, which creature she was talking about? Yes, correct, Bumblebee. Yes.
Bumblebee.
Oh, you all are so attentive. Wow, good. Thank you so much. Yes, it was Bumblebee. Yes.
Bumblebee.
And the next question is, how Uddhava pacified the gopis? By telling what?
By telling Krishna stories.
Wow. Correct. Yes, by telling all the stories about Krishna. He said that close your eyes, I'm going to tell the stories of Krishna. And in that way, when you think of Krishna, Krishna will always be with you. Okay, kids, thank you so much. You are all such a great kids. Like you always hear so attentively. It's so nice of you. Thank you so much. So we will move forward. We will move toward our next part of the session. That is the revision of shloka for today by Anjana Gopika Mataji. So let's welcome Mataji by saying loud Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
All sing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra one time. All together. Sing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare.
I say the Gaura. All say Nityananda. Okay, one time more again. I say Gauranga. You all say Nityananda. Okay, Gauranga.
Nityananda.
Okay. You want to say Gauranga? I'll say Nityananda. Everyone say Gauranga. Yeah, okay. We'll go to the sloka now, okay? You didn't have chance to. No, that's right. Okay, now we can do the sloka revision.
Tiram yata dadi vikara visheshu.
One, take your name. One by one, I'll take your name. Okay, Brinda, Rishikesh. Go ahead, Brinda first and Rishikesh.
Okay, Mataji, Balavrinda.
Yeah, Balabrinda, go ahead.
Shiram yada dahi vigara vishesha yoga sayate nahi hetu samana dharma
संजायते नहीं तथा
पृथगस्ति हेतु या सम्भूता अपि तदा पृथगस्ति
समुपै
कार्य गोविन्दमारे पुरुषं नमां भजामि दीपाचरेव पिशदयान्तरमव्युपेद्य कायते प्रभुतहेतु समानधर्म यस्ताद्रुहे विष्णु विभाति गोविन्दमारिपुरुषा तमहं भजामि यत्कारणारभजहे भजतिष्ठयोग निद्रानं
अनंत जगत
सरोवभूवः आधारशक्तिरबलं जब राम समूर्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमां भजामि.
Thank you, Balabrinda. Rishikesh, go ahead.
यथा दधि विकार विशेष योगात् संजायते नहि तथा कृत अस्ति एतो यशम्भुतामपि तथा समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि दीपाक्षिरे वहि दशान्तरमभ्युपेत्य दीपायते वृवृतहेतु समानधर्म यस्तादृगे वहि च विष्णुतयापि भाति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यत्कारणर्णभजले भजति स्म योगा निद्रामनन्तं जगदन्ध सरोमकूपः आधारशक्तिमवलम्ब्य परं स्फूर्तिं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Thank you, Mataji.
Brinda. Yeah, Brinda and Mukunda. Do you want to go? Mukunda and Brinda go together and
Mukunda.
both Brinda and Mukunda go ahead.
Satwek. Tati. Vikra Vishesha Yoga. Sanjayate hi tata pratak asti het yasambutam apiyatata sampati karyat Govindamadi Bhushan Tamam Bhajami Deepayate Ivahi Dasmatam Apyupetam Deepayate Vivartietu Samana Dharma Yasrat Ivahi Cha Vishnu Daya Vivati Vishna Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Yakarnava Jale Vyabhajati Ismayogat Nidram Ananta Jagat Ananda Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mukunda. We are already late. Yeah, Subhadra and Balaram go ahead together. Balaram and Subhadra go ahead together, okay?
Mihika Mataji. Sanjayate nahi tata pritakasti heto yasham bhutamapi tata samupetakarat govindamadi purusham tamaham majami deepachare vahi prashanta ramapyupeta deepayate vati hetu samana dharma yasta degeva hidasha Vishnu taya vibhati govindama tipurusham tamam rami. Thank you, Mataji. Mihika Mataji.
Thank you, Subhadra. Mihika, go ahead, Mihika.
Mataji, Mukunda couldn't do it. 21.
Oh, last one. Okay. Okay. If we have time, I'll let you Mukunda again do after some time. Okay, Brinda?
Mihika.
Yeah, Mihika, go ahead.
Kisrim yatha dadi vikara vivesh yogat sanjayate nahi tata prittigasti heto ya sambhutam api tata sampyoti karyat govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami dipachire vahi dashantaram abhyupeta dipayate vivrata hetu samana dharma yastadrige vahi cha vishnutaya vibhati govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami याकाराण्यार्वजल भज्यति स्म योगा निर्द्राम अंत जगत अंत स रोमकूपः आधार शक्तिम् अवलम्ब्य परां स्वमूर्तिं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mihika. Moni, Satvik will do, and then after that, Moni's, okay? Satvik was telling something.
Yes. Bhajati yoga nidra ananta jagat ananta salam Kupa Adara Shakti Avalamya Param Samutim Govinda My Purusha Navajami. Thank you, Balaji.
Thank you, Satvik. Thank you. Yeah, Moni's first and then Mukunda, okay? Moni's, go ahead.
Hiramnatadadi vikara vishesha yoga sanjayate naitadagasti hetu ya sambhutamapi tata sumupaiti karyat govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. दीपासरे वही दशान्तनमभ्युपेत्य दीपायते विहेतहेतु समानधर्म यस्तदग्रि एवहि स विष्णुतय विभर्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यः कारणकालजले भजति स्म योगात् निद्राम्यतः अनन्तजगदि अन्ध सरोमकुवा आधारशक्ति अवलम्ब्य परां स्वमूर्तिं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि.
Thank you,
Mukunda.
Moni, thank you so much. Mukunda, 1 second, you did 2 shloka. If anybody is interested to do the revision, and then Mukunda, go ahead.
Mukunda.
Yes, go ahead, Mukunda.
Mukunda, no, one time. Yakarnava Jale Vajati Ismayogat Nidram Ananta Jagaranda Sarovakuta Adra Shaktim Avaram Pya Param Samurtim Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mukunda. Thank you so much, kids. You all did very nice. Anybody want to try? Janavi, you do this one last one. Yeah, Karan Navajali.
Pajatisma yoga Nedra Anantam Jagadanda Saroma Kupa Arara Saktim Ava Namya Parasamute Govindamadi Purusham.
Thank you, kids. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, kids. Who is this?
Rama
Yeah, Rama, go ahead.
Yad Karana Jade Bhajati Sma Yoga Indra Nijam Ananta Jagati Antasaroma Kupa Ajasmaya Navalamba Param Smayo Murte Govinda Adi Purusham Tamaham Rajami.
Thank you, Ram.
This shloka we will do tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you so much. I think Saraswati Nandini Mataji is not there. I didn't see to Mataji today. Yeah. Maybe Mataji, Supriya Mataji can, almost all the kids practice these rhymes. Maybe Supriya Mataji can take over. And Mataji, we have 5:40, 5:40. We have again another class. Please, Mataji, take over.
Okay, sure, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Mataji, can you make me co-host so that I can share?
Mataji, I'm stop sharing, so you can do it, Mataji.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Supriya Mataji. Okay, Mataji. Yeah, because this sloka practice little time today.
Yes, Shruti
Mataji,
Mataji,
I cannot see your
Okay.
you
screen.
can share the screen.
Yes, Mataji, I'm sharing, Mataji, 1 minute.
Yeah, I have to make Mataji to co-host. Oh yeah, host would be make. Oh, host will make. Rama Supriya, yeah, Mataji. Go ahead, Mataji.
Okay,
Rama
Mataji.
Supriya, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, thank you. I'm sharing, Mataji, 1 minute. One minute, Mataji. I'm searching for screen sharing screen option.
You didn't get Mataji. Share screen is in the. There is a share screen, Mataji, in green button. Chat. Are you in computer? Yes, Mataji.
On laptop, Mataji. 1 minute. I'm not getting on my screen.
In the down, Mataji, the icon
Yeah.
are there. Participant chats. Share screen. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji. 1 minute, Mataji. 1 minute.
Yeah, kids. Yeah. I hope you.
She will have to wind up.
Mataji, 1 moment, Mataji. I'm opening it.
Yes, in
Mukunda.
So, Mataji, are you able to see, right, kids?
yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Mataji. So, Hare Krishna, kids.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Yes. Welcome to our Prabhupada's Leelamrita. So now today we are going to have what is the last scene. In the last scenes we have saw how Srila Prabhupada met his Guru Maharaj, how his Guru Maharaj is immersed in Krishna Katha, and seeing this mood also how Srila Prabhupada immersed in the Krishna Katha and is not able to stop also. And the next scene, what is that we are going to see? And from after listening to the Krishna Katha and what are the instructions he got from the Guru Maharaj, we have seen that. Now we will see what is the next thing. Farewell to Bhakti Siddhanta. Abhai's spiritual master and the impression of his words were as much a reality as the stars in the sky and the moon over Vrindavan. So whatever spiritual master said, those are much of very, very real in nature. How they are compared to the sky and the moon over the Vrindavan. The next morning, Abhay was up with others more than an hour before dawn, bathed and chanting the mantras in congregation. So he did his bathing, doing all the nature calls, then chanting doing his routine, japa, everything. Later in the morning, the tall, stately figure of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, dressed in plain saffron, got into the back seat of a car and rode away from the camp. So the next morning, Bhakti Siddhanta was traveling to another place. He got into the car and got away from the place. Thoughtful and grave, he looked back and waved, accepting the loving farewell of all his followers. So thoughtful and grave, he looked back and waved, accepting the loving farewell gestures of all of his followers. Abhay stood amongst them. So he was a little bit depressed because he got a little bit, what we can call, away from his spiritual master or Guru Maharaj. So he don't know when he is going to meet his again spiritual master. So this is the little farewell to his Guru Maharaj. Okay, kids. Now tomorrow, not tomorrow, coming weeks, we will see some more interesting things about our Srila Prabhupada. So until then, we will pray to our Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Thank you so much, kids. Hare Krishna, Ashray Mataji.
Jai.
Thank you, Mataji. And thank you so much, kids, for participating in today's class. Let's end our class by saying Vaishnav Pranam Mantra all together. Vancha kalpatarumbhyacha kripa sindhu patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantkoti Vaishnavi ki jai, Damodar Kit ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Sarojini Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Jagdish.
Hare Krishna.